In Qing County, a peaceful day turned chaotic as the sky darkened rapidly, unleashing a ferocious hailstorm. The unpredictability of nature is starkly evident here, clear skies giving way to a gray deluge in mere moments. Residents, caught mid-task, whether working or shopping, had little time to react as hailstones, some as large as golf balls, began pummeling the ground. This serves as a reminder of how quickly weather can shift, leaving even the most prepared communities vulnerable. Within minutes, the streets of Qing County were buried under layers of ice. Transforming the city into a surreal, frozen landscape. It's almost cinematic, the way a bustling urban center can be halted by nature's fury. Cars skidded, buses stalled, and shop awnings buckled under the weight of the ice. The fragility of human infrastructure becomes painfully clear in moments like these. Footage shared by locals captured rivers of melting hail carving paths through streets, flooding sidewalks, and clogging drains. This imagery underscores how natural disasters don't just disrupt, they reshape the environment in real time. In nearby villages, the storm's impact was equally severe. Roads became rivers of muddy water, sweeping away parked cars like debris in a stream. Homes stood silent, partially submerged, their lights extinguished. The isolation of rural areas often amplifies the impact of such events, where resources and aid are slower to arrive. Power lines fell, and transformers sparked in the distance, leaving entire districts in darkness. The loss of electricity in a crisis like this isn't just an inconvenience, it's a profound disruption to safety and communication. Small businesses bore a heavy burden. Shattered windows, leaking roofs, and ruined market stalls left shopkeepers sweeping up debris while the storm still raged. The resilience of these small business owners is remarkable, yet heartbreaking, as they face losses with no immediate relief. In the fields, farmers faced catastrophic damage. Fruit trees, vegetable crops, and tea plants were decimated in under an hour. Agriculture, the backbone of many rural economies, is uniquely vulnerable to such rapid devastation. Early estimates suggest significant financial losses, with some farms facing weeks or even seasons of recovery. The ripple effects of these losses will likely impact local markets and food supply chains. This storm echoes previous disasters in the region. In 2022, Xi'an saw a similar catastrophe, with power outages affecting hundreds of thousands and widespread flooding. History repeating itself highlights the need for better preparedness and infrastructure. Similarly, in 2012, Qingchuan City was battered by excised hailstones, damaging thousands of homes. These recurring events beg the question, why do such storms continue to catch communities off guard? Sichuan's mountainous terrain and volatile weather patterns make it a hotspot for such violent storms, particularly in spring and summer. Geography, while beautiful, can be a relentless adversary.
了这冰雹。
怎么一下子就这么厚？
不要踩下去这么深。
In Qingchuan, the drainage systems were no match for the combined force of melted hail and heavy rainfall, turning alleys and markets into torrents. Urban planning often underestimates the sheer volume of water these storms can unleash. Local crews worked tirelessly, clearing debris, restoring power, and distributing tarps to families with damaged homes. Emergency teams went door to door, ensuring no one was left without aid. This rapid response is a testament to community resilience, though it also highlights the strain on local resources. Meteorologists point to the region's unique geography, mountains, moist air, and sudden temperature shifts as a recipe for such violent weather. This storm, like those before it, is a stark reminder that preparation and resilience must evolve to match the growing intensity of nature's challenges. Do subscribe to this channel so that you always remain updated and ahead of others. We bring to you the latest disasters from around the world as quickly as possible on this channel.